Drawing routes on a map is possible with Google Maps as it is one of functionalities that come with its API. But what if we don't want to request for Google Maps services for any reason? Then comes up the idea to look for an open source alternative. Luckily, the Flutter Map plugin is a good deal. Welcome guys on my YouTube channel. My name is Abdel-Khafid, and in this video I will show you how to draw routes on top of a Flutter map using OpenRouteService. OpenRouteService is an open source solution that helps in finding intermediate coordinates between two geographical points. Without wasting time, let's jump right in. Okay, all right, this is the project. I have already set up my project, and part of the default Flutter app.com, I have created the map screen to help maintain the code. Okay, as you can see, I have already launched the app. Okay, the first thing you have to do is add the Flutter map plugin to the project. Okay, here is the Flutter map project, Flutter map plugin, and I have already added to the project. So let us show the map. Here you can see that below in the on the Flutter map plugin page we have the documentation link here, and you can click it and will be led to, yeah, will be led to here. Okay, this is the Flutter map documentation. So we have to show the map itself. Every form, every shape that comes with Flutter map plugin or are available within the Flutter map plugin are types of layer. Okay, so we have the marker layer. Let me show you. Yeah, here we have the tile layer for showing the app itself. We have the marker layer for showing a geographical point on the map. We have the polyline layer. The polyline layer is that layer that will help us to draw the routes between two geographical points. So okay, so let's start with the tile layer. Let's copy this and paste it in our app. Okay, we have to add this. Great. Okay, let's first start this. Let's see how happening. Great, great. We have our map. We have our map. As you can see, it comes with a default zoom parameter that we can change ourselves. Okay, so this is our map. Yeah, so let's come back to the code, and here in the map option you can specify the zoom. You can specify the zoom option. Okay, let's put it at 15 and have the center. We can center the map to a geographical point, a specific geographical point. So lat L N G. Okay, one thing I must tell you is any geographical point is in latitude and longitude form. So In Flutter, we have a plugin that will help us manage these kind of points. Okay, it's called the get. Oh no, that's what I was looking for. So it's called the lat and long to plugin. Let's add it to our project. Okay, pick it, as you can see. It's still processing. It's still processing. Okay, great. I think it's good. The lat long to plugin is added, and if you come here, we can just do this. Okay, it's correct now. I have a now we add the latitude and we can add the coordinates. This is a specific coordinate as I'm recording this video in Lome, so this is a geographical point in Lome. Great. Let's restart the app to see the changes. Yeah, yeah, this is Lome, as you can see here, my great Lome. So back and now, the thing we're gonna do is after adding the map itself, you have to add two marker. Okay, markers are what? Markers are at the point, at the geographical point on the map. Okay, and with the Flutter map plugin, we must use the marker layer to add a marker on the map. Okay, let's copy this. Oh, what's going on? Okay, come here. Okay, paste it here. Great. Good, I'm good, I'm good. Let's replace this by with an icon button and press icon what? Icon location on create. So this is the color cream. Icon size, let's put 45. Okay, icon size 45. Okay, now here I think we should put the coordinates of the first marker. One, you can put any coordinate, but This is just an example. Okay, that's great. Great. As you can see, this is the marker in green color. Okay, let's make it twice. This is the first marker, and this will be the second marker. Okay, this is the of color green, and we will change the coordinates. We start this also. Okay, so it's good. It's good. I think it's good. Okay, as you can see, this is the second marker right here. Okay, now we are done with putting the geographical point on our map. So the next step will be register on OpenRouteService, because before drawing on routes between two geographical points, we have to find the intermediate coordinate, the intermediate point between these 2 points. So this task will be done with the OpenRouteService. So let's go to the OpenRouteService website. Let's go on the OpenRouteService website. Yeah, before doing anything here, we have to log in. I already have my, I will just log in. Okay, if you log in and you come here, you will be directly led to the dashboard. Okay, you have direction here, isocon, matrix, geocode. We have many services with OpenRouteService. Okay, but what we are interested in is the direction service. The direction service is one that will help us finding intermediate coordinates. You come here, direction, you click on the guides, and we can make an example by clicking on the call. Yeah, as you can see, we draw the routes. Okay, to use this API, we have to be logged in before and generate an API key after specify the start point and the end point. Okay, but this is the most important thing that you have to bear in mind while using OpenRouteService. OpenRouteService represents a geographical format in this form, longitude and latitude. So we will come here, we come back to our code and create an API file, API dot file. Okay, what we will do here, okay, I just copy and paste my credential, okay, to to go very fast. Okay, but here, as you can see, this is it's just a function that takes the start point and the end point as parameters, and this is the API route. Okay, this is the API key and the base URL. So next step is use this API request this API in our map screen. Class. Okay, so this method or function to consume the OpenRouteService API gets coordinates here. Okay, we will async this. Okay, now we will request for, yeah, don't need this comment, so our response awaits HTTP. Okay, this is another useful plugin that we have to install before doing any API communication. We have to install the HTTP plugin. Yeah, copy this, come back to our file and paste it here. All right, let me continue this. In the meantime, get coordinate. No, this is a get routes. Yeah, it's added. Okay, let me add it here. Okay, we are good now, so let's go. As said before, the start point and end point will be added in the longitude and latitude form. So I will come here, copy and paste. We will give as parameters the start point and the end point in longitude and latitude form. So you have just to inverse parameters. Great. Now if this as is the stateful widget, if request for the, so if the response the API call is good, we will check the status code. If the status code is equal to 200, so I mean everything is good. So data equal to JSON code response dot body. Okay, here we retrieve the data from the API. Okay, now the data retrieved is a list of points. Okay, this is the one of the most important part to look for. Okay, the data retrieved is a list of points. Okay, a normal list. So we have to create a variable here of type lists. Okay, list of points. This is a list, an ordinary list. Okay, and we come here. Okay, let me show you something. If you come here and copy this, if you copy this, if you copy this, you will see that the response is in JSON format, especially in GeoJSON format. GeoJSON format is a specific format that helps manage geographical data. Okay, so let's retrieve the data. Data. Here we put the features. As you can see here, the first level is the features. Okay, so we put the features. After put the features, we have only one element inside a feature, so we put 0. No, so we come here inside the boss property. Yeah, as you can see here, we have inside the geometry property, we have the list of points, as you can see, from the start point to the end points. Okay, and these are the intermediate coordinates that we have to retrieve and put in our app. Okay, as you can see, these are the intermediate coordinates, so available in the geometry property. So geometry, and after we have the coordinates, have the coordinates. Okay, okay, this now this is the list of points, the ordinary list of points, but any point that is used on a map is on latitude and longitude form, as we said before. So we have to convert this list of points in a list of points of latitude and longitude form. Okay, longitude for points. Now we have done with retrieving the list of points. So what we will do is convert this list of points, of normal points, coordinates, into a list of latitude and longitude points. So we have to create that list. Right here. Okay, list of points. We have to map this list. So for every What's the matter here? Good. Good. Okay. Now here we convert the list of points into a list of latitude and longitude points because this will help us show coordinate on the map. Okay. After doing this, we can simply call our function here. Let's first start. So if we click on it, haha, nothing happened. Nothing happened because we did not yet add the polyline layer. Okay, the polyline layer help us add the routes on the into the map on top of the map. So when we come here, we copy the polyline layer, to print the routes. So create. So we come here and we put the list of points very easy like this. You can specify the stroke width, okay, 5 if you want. Okay. Okay. And we come here. Yatta! Voila! We are done with the routes drawing using open source open route services. So this is a relative very simple step to follow. But if you have any question, you can leave the comments in the comment section. You can find this code, all these codes on my GitHub. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.